Nakagulat this time pala. From last night. So, wait. Good morning.
It's living chill.
Good morning. So, I have class. Morning class. Class in the bed. Class in the bed. So, kung merong breakfast in bed, meron din class in bed. Taray! Ang ganda! Oh my God! Parang vitamin C! Yama!
Hey class, please turn on your cameras. Who's the class president? If you don't understand what cultural competence is, if you don't understand, so you have to understand and you have to respect that. Hindi mo naman pwedeng i-call out yun. What else? You have to be ability, cultural competence is our ability to understand, communicate with, and effectively interact with people across cultures.
Oops, thank you. Salamat. So, meron silang free, I mean, not all hotels kasi pwedeng mag-microwave, no? Hindi ka makapagpa-microwave ng food. But here, pwede. So, I'm doing my online class right now. For the person. Ayan, kumuha siya ng ano.
Sure ako naman.
Namamanid yung paa ko, girl. Okay. So, be fast in bed. Be fast in bed ba?
Breakfast in bed. Ayun.
Ito yung kina ko kagabi.
Ayun.
Yung tokboki. Kimchi.
Hindi pa daan. Thank you.
What?
Hindi nga ako nakakanya. Di ba?
May seaweed pa ako dito.
Ayun pa. Ayun pa. Sige ko yun sa pulis.
Buhay pa. So, kung nagamit kayo ng mga baso at kung anik-anik sa hotel, ako yung nagawa ko. Nilinis ko lang. Share ko lang. Nakagulat this time pala. From last night. So, wait.
Emails marketing about updates of the application.